So here I will be showing you how to fit the universal riser rail slider chrome, which is what I've got here. The universal riser rail slider can be adjusted to fit rail dimensions between 18mm and 25mm. So we're going to take the riser rail out of the plastic package. Prior to purchasing your riser rail slider, take cognizance of the tolerance threshold limits. So here I have set my measuring tape to the 18mm lower threshold limit, and we'll be checking that my stainless steel rail pole falls within that tolerance. Subsequently, I have set my measuring tape to the 25mm upper threshold limit value. I've measured that against the stainless steel rail and it falls within that tolerance. So the riser rail slider should fit perfectly. To fit the universal riser rail slider, unscrew the riser to suit the diameter of the rail. If you can't get the rail slider behind the rail stainless steel rod, you may need to uninstall the rail fixtures. In order to install it, then place onto the rail, adjust the height and tighten onto the rail, and then subsequently assemble the riser rail slider, the stainless steel rod and its fixtures as a unit together. You can use both the repaired rail slider and the brand new slider interchangeably if your bath is shared with people with varying heights, or you can use them as standalones. It's pretty much up to you. If your riser rail slider being purchased is to fit your rail, it should measure anywhere between 18mm, which is the lower diameter on the rail, and 25mm, which is the larger diameter. And that's pretty much your installation complete. If you require the use of only the brand new slider, you could slide the repaired one through the stainless steel rod after disassembling the rail and its fixture. Click the shortcut hyperlinks in the description for short clips on how to repair and replace the riser rail, as well as the complete guide. Both rail sliders aren't defective, as they aren't free falling after installation, so they've passed the test and I'm pretty happy with the installation. And that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.